Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the general science multiple choice questions. I had already discussed up to the part 3. Please have a look, which are very useful for all competitive examinations of SSC as well as CDS, MNS examinations for women, NDA, CRPF, CISF, DRDO, all these defense related jobs. Don't think that this question will not come. Nowadays, every exam has become very tough and you have to know all the questions. So don't skip this video. You'll find in playlist near about 1000 plus videos. So please go through them. As you can see, the petrol engine gives off gaseous oxides of, this is one thing you have to remember, petrol engine gives off gaseous oxides of, that is nitrogen. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the petrol engine, it gives off gaseous oxide of nitrogen. You can see how exactly the air pollution takes place, particulate pollutants, hydrocarbons, how exactly you can see directly what caused due to the human activities, climate, vegetation and plant health problems you will have. So these are one thing, particulate pollutants are the main reason. So climate disturbances like drought, you will have the volcano eruptions, decrease in or fall in rain. Here you have the increase in greenhouse gases that result to the global warming. These are the which one with the help with the main reason of the air pollution. As you can see, hydrocarbons, gasoline, petroleum, petrol, coal and kerosene. These are which are used for the fuel as well as manufacturing sector. How exactly you can directly go through this. See, gaseous pollutants, oxides of carbon, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur. These are the three things which are gaseous pollutants. Oxides of carbon directly causes of greenhouse effect. In the case of nitrogen, respiratory diseases. Oxides of sulfur, which is acid rain. We knew that nitrogen dioxide as well as sulfur dioxide are the main reasons for the acid rain formation. Here we have the petrol engine gives off gaseous oxides of what? That is nitrogen. Next we have the acid rain is caused by oxides of, I told you, nitrogen dioxide as well as sulfur dioxides are the two which are main reason for the acid rain. So as you can see how exactly the nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide is directly in contact with the clouds, then we will have the H2SO4, which is the king of all acids, that is sulfuric acid. HNO3 is nitric acid. So this is one thing which are directly affects the trees as well as which decay the monuments of historical monuments like Taj, which is a solid fuel. As you can see, solid fuel wax. Wax is one thing you have to remember, which is known as solid fuel. I request you to check my playlist where you will find near about 800 plus question papers for various examinations. It is segregated each section wise. Now we have, in the sun, heat and light are produced by nuclear reaction. Please remember, the sun is the main source of Earth's energy and also the major cause of heat in our atmosphere. Nuclear reaction takes place in the sun which produce heat as well as light. There are nuclear fusion which takes place inside that sun. That is, we knew that in the case of hydrogen bomb, along with the sun also, the nuclear fusion takes place. In the case of atomic bomb, we have the nuclear fission which takes place in that. So please remember, these are already discussed in various parts. If you go through my playlist, you will find the confidence in these examinations. The head of the safety match, we knew that that safety match contains potassium chloride, powered glass, sulfur and animal glue. This is one thing. As you can see, wooden stick which is impregnated with the ammonium phosphate. So in that there is ammonium phosphate, as well as here in the tip we have the potassium chloride, powered glass, sulfur along with the animal glue. That is the reason it sticks in that. So normally we have the phosphorus in that. That is, we can use it as red phosphorus. It is used here. Answer is given: antimony trisulfate, as well as potassium chloride. These both are exist in the head of the safety match: antimony, trisulfide and potassium chloride. These are all exist. You have to take both A and B. Next we have, when the match struck, it is matchstick against rubbing surface, that is red phosphorus, converts into white phosphorus. So whatever the red phosphorus we can see here, head chemical, that is potassium chlorate, glass powder, that is, as you can see, that red phosphorus directly into the white phosphorus. So once it is rubbed, then it becomes red phosphorus directly becomes to white phosphorus. This is one thing you have to remember. In this, red phosphorus is used. Next we have the best extinguisher for inflammable materials. This is one thing you have to remember. The extinguisher for the inflammable materials is carbon dioxide is the one which is very useful. If we can't use this carbon dioxide at some stages, we can only use this carbon dioxide in less stages like electricity, whatever the switchboards and all, because it is very costlier. So this extinguisher is inflammable material which is very helpful. In the case of water, which is used in the AFFF extinguishers. So the best extinguisher for inflammable material is among all, that is carbon dioxide one. As you can see to the right side how exactly it is used, by squeezing the knob. Now we have the carbon dioxide is stored as a liquid in cylinder at high pressure. As we had seen the cylinder in previous slide, that is the way that is stored in the form of liquid, that is carbon dioxide is stored as a liquid in cylinder with the high pressure. You will have the high pressure in it. As you can see, liquid carbon dioxide, how exactly it is. Look, and there is a tube inside that. That dip tube is exist in that carbon dioxide. So but it is pressurized highly in the cylinder. Now we have in next question, carbon dioxide is given off by chemicals like sodium bicarbonate. So how you have to make the equation is sodium bicarbonate, that is also known as baking soda, which directly reacts with the hydrochloric acid. Then sodium chloride as well as the carbon dioxide is produced with this mixture, with this compound. Sodium bicarbonate reacts with the hydrochloric acid, which results to the water, carbon dioxide and sodium chloride is the resultant. So this is one thing you have to remember. So please go through whatever the slide has been given. This is one important slide. As you can see, water is not suitable for fire involving oil as well as petrol. We knew that in the seas we find fire over the water itself, which is no effective against petrol as well as oil fires. In these cases we have to use some different extinguishers. These are one thing: water, dry powder, foam, carbon dioxide, wet chemical, or these are very important. You can see how exactly the cylinders are used. In the water, wood or paper or textiles were flammable liquid. So live electric equipment also can be used, but at a safer distances. Dry powder, wood, paper, textiles, flammable liquids. Here we have gaseous fires, live electrical equipment. This is one thing where it has to be used. So here we can't use on against foam is one which cannot be used against the gas. So here wood, paper is okay. So live electric equipment also okay. So wet chemical is cooking oil fires, wood, paper, textiles, discharge entire contents onto fire. Normally you may be asked simple questions: what fire is used in metallic fire? That is dry chemical powder is used. In the case of electric switchboards, we have to use carbon dioxide. That is, if the option is there in carbon dioxide, you put the carbon dioxide. If it is given with the safer distance, water can be used with the safer distance, that is also correct. But if you have got the option as carbon dioxide, use it, that is carbon dioxide. So these are the few questions. I hope these are all maximum you are getting the information from various slides. So thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. You can call me on 7666 730 252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you.